Hi guys, once again thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Maverick channel. Today I'm doing something special. I will be flying my DJI Spark for the first time, guys, the first time with its remote controller. All the videos you've been seeing, all the reviews I've done for this drone has been flying with my phone through the app. So today I will be flying for the first time with the remote controller, and I'm looking forward to it very seriously, guys. It is an awesome drone. I've enjoyed flying it for a very long time now. So enough with this, let's get straight to it. Let's test it out and see. I hope I have a wonderful experience. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, let's get into it. Woo! Look at that speed, man. My, just the first few seconds, this is awesome. I've been missing, guys. My goodness. Let's try something here. Wow, look at that, my goodness, man, what have I been thinking not flying this drone with this remote controller? Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come this way, baby. Man, this bird is awesome. My. I should have known better. My goodness. Wow. Man. I was there just flying with my phone, via my phone, using the app, not really knowing that I'm missing something. Imagine me handling this over the lake, flying over water with this, man. This gives you the thrill, man. Wow, look at that. I can't wait rather to test this above water. Flying in the woods. My. Man, Vivita AeroView, someone has taken your place for sure. Man, and the sports mode is awesome. Yeah, my goodness. Wow. Man, this has been an awesome one for me. Sweet. Reacts perfectly. My goodness. What in the world have I been thinking? Wee. Wow. best test flight ever. Man. Let me get out of the way. Alright guys, it has been an awesome one. Please leave your comments below, subscribe, tell me what you think guys. I'm really super pumped right now, man. I gotta fly this bird some more. Thank you very much. See you on my next video.